Good morning, my dear students. Once again, welcome to Parvati Beg in Bamozu College of Engineering, Bagoli. I am your subject in charge of Building Technology and Architectural Planning subject. In previous lecture, we discussed about what are the definitions and functions of the door, what is the location of the door, what are the technical terms used in door, what is rebate, what is frame, what is stile, what is panel, what is head, what is top rail, bottom rail, what is the whole fast. Okay. Also, we discuss about the types of the doors. In that, we discuss about the panel door, batten door, flush door, collapsible door, rolling shutters, revolving doors, glazed doors, plastic doors. Okay. Now, in today's lecture, we will discuss about the next part, that is the louvered doors. Okay. So, louvered doors means what? It is the doors which containing the louvers or the slots for the purpose of the ventilation, which are called as the louvered or venting doors. Okay. And these doors are admitted as the free passage of the air and light, which is securing at the same time privacy and safety. Okay. These doors are admitted in the air, light, also this containing the louvers or slot for the purpose of the ventilation. So, it is called as the louvered door. Okay. This type of door, the shutters are provided with the louvers either by the fully or partially, and louvers are arranged at such an inclination that horizontal vision is obstructed. Okay. The space between the rails, which are filled in by a series of wooden leaves, okay, which is overlying each other, so that the upper edge of the louvers are fixed into the stiles or it is made movable. Okay. Also, the one thing about the louvered door is they are arranged at a certain inclination, so that the outside vision is obstructed and it is allow the free passage of air. Okay. There are the two types of the louvers, that is the which is the movable, that is called as that is made up with the timbers, plywoods, plastic. Okay. The next is the swing door. So, what is the swing door? The doors which shutter moves both inward and outward, which is required about the double action spring hinge fixed to the door. Okay. The frame is termed as the swing door. In short, this type of door swings about the double action spring hinges. Okay. See, in exam you will ask, that is the in swing door which type of hinge is provided. So, it is the double action spring hinges provided in the swing door. Okay. It is generally having the single leaf or the shutter which is attached to the door frame, especially with the help of the double action spring hinge. Okay. Also, in the some of the cases, which if the two leaf can also be attached to the door frame with double action spring hinge. Okay. Actually, these types of doors is mostly used in the officers' cabin of the public office building, commercial complexes, showrooms. Okay. This is called as the swing door. You can see here single leaf swing door. This is glass, double action spring hinge, door frame, shutter. The next is the sliding door. What is the sliding door? At the time of the shutter of the doors is open, normally it requires a space to open. Some of the cases when space is not available to open the shutter, then the sliding doors are more preferred. Okay. This type of doors which having very less space is required to open the shutter due to sliding. It consists of the runners, guide rails, shutters, frames, channel track, brackets. Okay. See, in sliding door, in the bottom, there is channel track is provided. So so as the slide the shutter is properly. Okay. In sliding doors, should be a single shutter, double shutter, or even 3 shutter doors. Okay. You can see here this is a sliding door. Mostly the sliding door is used in balconies. Okay. Okay. Actually, there is also one type of door that is called as the folding door. This type of door opens by the folding back in section. They are usually found in indoors. Okay. These folding doors are designed to provide the quick and easy space division with moderate sound attenuation and a pleasing visual appearance. Okay. Okay, so the next part is the windows. So, what is the definition of the window? That window is defined as it is the vented barrier which is secured in a wall opening to serve one or more of the functions like natural light, natural ventilation and vision. This is called as the window. Okay, there are some functions of the window. There are some functions of the window, that is to admit the natural light. Okay, so what are the functions of the window? To admit the natural light in building, to admit the air in building, to give a view to the outside. Also, windows provided the insulation against the heat loss and in some cases against the sound. Also the some windows are also required to give a measures of resistance to fire. Okay. So, location of the window, that is the main part. Where is the location of the window? The location and number of the window should be decided on the basis of desired daylight and its distribution in room, natural ventilation, desired vision of the outside, privacy of the occupant, heat loss, etc. Okay. From the viewpoint of ventilation, a window should be located in the opposite wall facing a door or another window. Okay. The fresh air and maximum daylight windows should be located on the northern side of the room. The seal of the window, the height of the seal of the window should be located 0.75 to 1 meter above the floor level of the room. Okay. There are some component parts of the window, in that window frame, window shutters, panel, stile, horn, rail, hold fast. Okay. Seal level. Seal level means what? It is the lowermost bottom horizontal part of the window frame. Transform means what? This is the horizontal member of the window frame which is employed to subdivide a window opening horizontally. You can see here, this is the component parts of the window. See, here is the horn, this portion is called as horn. This is called as the transom. This is the transom light. This is panels. This is stile. This is the rail. This is the wood panel. Okay, this is called as the seal. So, seal means what? This is the lowermost or bottom horizontal part of window frame. And transform is what? This is the horizontal member of the window frame which is employed to subdivide a window opening horizontally. Okay. So, there are some factors which are affecting the selection of the windows. Okay. So, what are the factors affecting the selection of the windows? The first is the dimension of the room. Second is what is the purpose or use of the room, what is the location of the room, direction of the walls, speed and direction of the wind, climatic conditions such as the humidity, temperature, okay, obstruction to light by the neighboring buildings. These are some factors which are affecting the selection of the windows. Okay, there are some rules which are observed while deciding the windows. The first rule is the breadth of the window or the width of the window. It should be 1/8 by the width of the room plus height of the room. Okay. The total area of the window opening should be normally vary from 10 to 20% of the floor area of the room. Okay, these are some dimensions of the window. Okay, see, single shutter window WS and WT means double shutter windows. This is the size of the opening, this is the size of the window frame and size of the window shutter. Okay, the next part is the types of the windows. The windows are classified into different types on the basis of the several aspects like nature of operational movement of the shutters, location and manner in which they are fixed. Okay, the windows is broadly classified as the panel window, fixed window, casement window, double hinge windows, sliding windows, pivoted windows, louvered windows, metal windows, sash or glass windows, bay windows, corner windows, dormer windows, gable windows, skylights, circular windows, mosquito proof windows and curtain wall windows. Okay, you can see here the first is the panel window. You know that the panel window one means what? This type of window consists of the framework of the vertical member which is called as the stile and horizontal member which is called as the rail. The next is the fixed window. This window is provided for the sole purpose of admitting the light and providing the vision in the room. You can see this is the fixed window. This is only the purpose of the admitting the light and providing vision of the room. Okay. The next is the, you can see this is also one diagram of the fixed window. Next is the casement window. So casement window, this is common type of window which is usually provided in the building. Okay, it is just similar to the door which is having the frame which is rebated to receive the shutters. Okay, you can see this is the casement window. The next is double hinge window. Double hinge window means it is the pair of the metal weight which is connected by the cord or the chain which is passing over a pulley is provided for each shutter. Okay, the pair of shutter arranged one above the other which can slide vertically with the groove provided. Okay, you can see here this is the double hinge window. Okay, so the next type, that is the sliding window, pivoted window, louvered window, metal window, all these things we will discuss in the next lecture. If you have doubt related to the doors and windows, you can ask me directly on the Google Classroom or you can ask me on the YouTube channel or directly you can ask me on the WhatsApp group. Okay, have a nice day, take care.